My name is Mike. I've been coming to Tea Tree Gully Library for IT help for a number of years now. The classes I've taken are a number of window classes, smartphone classes, and I've repeated because one doesn't always remember everything. Yes, and I've had one-on-one sessions, which are good, and I find it very helpful. That's why I keep coming back. Before I started coming to the classes, I was just a dinosaur. I knew very little, but between the good operators that I've been with, they've sort of beaten a lot of information into me. It's good. Well, at least I can use my computer, which initially I couldn't. I can send emails, buying stuff online, and with my smartphone, that's been a real boom because I've got WhatsApp on that, which I can converse with my brother in the UK, which now that I can use the smartphone to advantage, it's last night I just got indoors to have tea with my brother from the UK ringing me, and it's clear as the picture is clear as a bell, and the speech is clear. It's just like he's down the road talking to me. And we're now with WhatsApp, like the other week, I've got a new car, Mike. Oh, show me, Derek. He's out with the phone showing me all round the car. I said, let's have a look under the bonnet. Open the bonnet, and it's just a wonderful communication device. But in time, you pick it up. I can recommend it to anyone. It's a facility in our library which I think is great.